Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for life science grade 11 only way. Start by organizing your notes by topic and set a weekly study plan with focused 30 to 50-minute sessions. Prioritize core concepts, draw clear diagrams, and answer past questions to test understanding. Use active recall and spaced repetition daily, and teach topics allowed to check recall. Finish each week with a quick summary and tweak your plan. In this video, I will explain how to study for life science grade 11 only way. Practice active recall by closing notes and quizzing yourself on key terms and processes. Build concept maps and labeled diagrams to visualize cycles, organs, and pathways, which helps with retention. Convert headings into questions and answer them aloud, and explain complex ideas to a peer or imaginary class to expose gaps quickly. In this video, I will explain how to study for life science grade 11 only way. Quick recommendation. On another note, I love a book that can truly change how you think about money called The Simple Path to Wealth, and it makes a funny contrast to studying for tests because budgeting your time is like budgeting your money. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to study for life science grade 11 only way. Simulate exam conditions with timed past papers and mark them honestly to find patterns in mistakes. Turn each mistake into a short mini lesson and practice that topic until comfortable. Use flashcards with spaced repetition for essential terms and diagrams, and rotate older cards weekly so older material stays fresh leading up to tests.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.